like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up mga kabibi? It's another day, another vlog, and another travel na naman tayo. And we are going to Camaya Coast today sa Bataan. And it's been a while na hindi na din tayo nakakapag-beach. So tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking biyahe for today. So around 5 a.m. guys, we already arrived sa MOA near seaside. So ang port ng Camaya Coast is malapit sa Vikings. Doon na din kami nag-book ng ticket namin for ferry. I'll also put the details below for the link doon sa pag-book ng ticket. So regarding pala guys doon sa price ng ticket sa ferry is for only $7.99. You already have a back and forth pass. And nagbiyahe kami at around 7:30 a.m. umalis from MOA going to Camaya Coast sa Bataan. And then pagdating nga namin doon guys is masaya sa feeling kasi very welcoming yung mga staff and meron pa silang parang dance presentation doon sa mga visitors na nag-arrive sa Camaya Coast. So pagdating na namin dun guys is sumakay muna kami sa cart, nagpahatid muna kami sa hotel namin. So by the way yung binook namin is for two nights doon, and then hinatid muna namin yung mga bags namin para iwan muna namin doon kasi ang check-in pa namin is around 3 or 2 p.m. So kumain muna kami doon and maraming kainan doon guys like Pancake House, Pizza Hut and all. So ito nga pala yung ano namin, yung room. It's very wide. Ayan, maganda naman siya. So, during the day, we have a lot of activities, guys. Actually, marami silang mga water activities, mga inflatables, meron silang kayak, may jet ski, and all. So, ayan. Ito pala yung view ng hotel sa taas. Meron silang giant slide. Ayan, which na-try ko. Actually, natakot ako dun sa slide nila kasi ang laki ng slide at saka mataas siya. So, yan yung view niya. So, ito nga pala guys yung time na nagkayak kami ng friend ko. And maganda talaga siya kasi makikita mo yung mga bato sa ilalim ng dagat sa sobrang linaw ng tubig. And meron din silang bar. Ayan. Sa mismong dalampasigan, meron silang bar doon. And of course, hindi mawawala doon yung parang nightlife. So merong parang circus doon. Ayan, nagpe-perform sila and maganda talaga yung yung performance nila dito. dito na natatapos yung performance nila, and which is very good talaga, pang international kanilang performance dito. And I would highly suggest guys, if you are going to Kamaya Coast, don't forget to bring your water with you, and also like foods or kung mga snacks kung gusto nyo magdala, kasi walang ano doon na food. Meron namang mga ano doon restaurant, like yung mga sinabi ko, yung meron silang pancake house, may Pizza Hut, and other things or other food like ano pa ba, mga silog, meron sila doon sa Kamaya Coast. And yeah, I will also include the details for the ferry and how to book in Kamaya Coast down below. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng latest videos ko and uploads dito sa YouTube. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching, and hope you have a great day.